Welcome back, crew. What's going on, guys? We are back in front of the charts. Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm in rare form right now, sitting down. I think I'm going to sit because I'm going to go and train afterwards anyway. Looks like the market had a little stumble here, huh? So right now, I'm not sure if I want to take any positions just yet. You guys, if you guys are green, let me know. If you guys are a little red, it's okay. It's all right. Things will be all right. I'm not really seeing any direction right now. Could be a pop here from this level. Let's see, 141. This could be pretty strong. 141. So we missed the 21,000 mark. Got close to 21,000. Crushed those overnight lows. Wow, we really did a number on those overnight lows, huh? That was a pretty nasty drop. Whoa. Very nasty drop. She what's up with us, baby? Yeah, pretty nasty drop there. So, all right, we're more than likely here going to trend up a bit. Maybe the VWAP once more. Sounds to me like a possibility. Could be a good possibility. Just trying to play catch up here. Got our double bottom. It's a good sign. Higher prices. This could be a target. Okay. Let's see. Market may want to make it up here to the 260s, 270s, maybe even 300. That's the end of the month too. You're right about that. A lot of profit taking. What's up, Chad? There you go again, brother. Don't forget it's the end of the month and it's Friday. Don't forget about the options contract. We have options expiring today, right? On the futures market and the stock market. How does that knowing that information help you as a trader, Lunatic? I always hear about stuff like that, like, you know, triple witching and all that stuff. But how does it really help you as a trader? Where's the edge in that? Is it just that the market's more unpredictable? Because that's the case. I mean, she's pretty unpredictable all the time. Some days she's worse than others, but is there an advantage there? So right now I'm thinking we go higher. I just want to get an entry here somehow. Maybe a pullback, or we'll figure something out. We'll grab something soon. Still trying to add something to my live account today, and I'd like to get my funded accounts also in the green. See if we can. And I was just sitting tight and waiting for this to show its hand. Then we can get a move up to 270, but you know it doesn't do it in one straight line. More a matter of volatility and weird price action. Yeah, that's what I thought. What's up, Mad Moxie? Welcome back, brother. Price likes to get pinned on a certain price. OPEX days of this. Yeah, they have what's called a maximum pain, right? Where longs and shorts get hurt the most. So market tends to want to gravitate to that area, the max pain area. But where is that max pain area? Where would that be? Is there a way you guys can find that out? Hey, baby. What's up?
Are you live streaming right now?
What?
You live streaming right now?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Can I say hi?
You can say hi. It's right here.
The
Real
camera?
quick. Camera's right there, baby.
Okay. Hello. Is it going up or
You see
down?
yourself right there.
Is it going up or down?
Right now, it's going higher. You see
It's
it?
going high?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think is going to come next?
What do I think is gonna what?
Come next. Do you think the
Oh.
yellowish?
I think this green candle is probably gonna get reversed some, but I don't know when. But I'm just waiting right now, baby.
Okay.
Waiting. Sometimes it's better to wait. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go play with your sister. I'll see you in a bit.
I love you.
Love you too. You got it? You good? All right. Love you, baby.
What are you doing?
Trading, streaming, baby. What's up? Ah, did you need something? No? Okay. How do you feel, baby? You need medicine?
I feel my stomach isn't hurting more. It's just like I just have a cold now.
Okay. All right. Let me know if you need anything, okay? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, baby. What is that? The ice creams? Did you have lunch yet?
Huh?
Did you have lunch yet?
Yeah, it's cool.
You did? Okay, you can have one. You can leave it open, baby. Leave it open. Okay, just one though, okay? You guys like to go overboard. You trade the market really early because new position is coming on Monday. Same thing on Friday, institution reposition. Yeah. we're getting that move back up. And I like the longs, man, but I just don't like chasing. So I'm waiting for a decent pullback somewhere. Right now, it looks like this area could be also a possible area they could defend here. The bulls. This could be a decent area to look at. Could be a little bit of a pullback forming here. Yeah, looks like it's coming. Possibly. Good job, Lunastick. Make that money whenever you can. Might catch a bounce from here, or maybe it's just a bit lower here. We'll see. Short trade here would have been good. 12. This would have been a winner. Not sure if she's found support here or she's just setting it up for a deeper drop. That's what I'm being patient for. Yeah, she's looking pretty strong here. You guys had some very clean price action in here though. This was nice. I didn't get to trade this, but this is very nice. This price action in here. Hopefully it doesn't start consolidating now. So that's smart, Luna Stick. This says, my rules are that if it looks easy on the market, it's a trap. Trading don't supposed to be easy. This is the reason why people lose money. I couldn't agree with you more. That's 100% accurate. The trade looks too simple. It's probably a trap. Oh, you turned it off? Cool, man. That's very it's very disciplined of you. Longs are still looking good here. We've got that overnight low sitting at 225. I think that's where next stop might be. That's where I think she might be headed. I'm really liking the longs. Let's see if we could possibly get in here somewhere. Getting a little bearish absorption here. Now this next candle is going to be important for me because if it's green, then this thing is going to pop. If it's red, it's going to drop, in my opinion. I'm going to see here. She's gonna double tap this line here. It's gonna turn a bright pink. I hope it doesn't. What's up, Amit? What's going on, brother? Good to see you here. All right, I might have to take this short here in a couple of seconds. Ugh, if it doesn't turn pink on me, please don't turn pink. is this on an M&Q chart, man? Looks like we this could be a trap. We're gonna see. I think I'm gonna get out of that. I think it's just barely breaking down here. I think it's gonna rip back higher. Actually, no. Look at her. What's going on, Mo? It says I flipped $50 to $8 grand in 1 week. Then I am now half equity, 4,000. What should I do? Should I withdraw it or keep the next week? Man, you did great, brother. Congratulations. I should have kept that. Should have kept that on. Let's see what we get here. This looks like it could possibly be, what is going on with my, we're not changing? Looks like it might have been a liquidity grab here first before we go lower. We'll see here. All right, let's see what we do here. I think my charts are not changing, so I may have to change it up. I'll be right back, guys. Give me a sec. Sorry about that. I had to reset my trackpad here. You were thinking about investing heavily in prop firms, Amit? I don't know, man. To be honest with you, I really can't tell you what to do with that. If it was me, I'd probably take my wife out on a vacation. Take your wife out, man. Spend some of that money with your family. Can't go wrong there. But if you want to reinvest it, I would say I would probably look at some stocks that are, can't go wrong with, like S&P. Buy the S&P. Buy the Nasdaq. I would look to do that. It's just a good move higher. Okay, she's moving higher now. Yeah, I was expecting her to do this after dropping here. Good little fake out that they did. Just to bring it back higher. They just wanted to grab this liquidity. Yeah, this is a good place to get long from. The 100 period VWAP, we just tapped into it as well. There was just enough to get people bearish. Just enough to get people to go short here. That's why I took profits, you know, not much, but I took a little profits here just because I felt like she wanted to reverse back up. This might be a good place to get long here. I'm about to get long in a second. She's trying to go higher here. I'm gonna have to give her a minute here to get a little more bullish. What's up, Neil? Yeah, this long looks like it's going to be working out pretty good in a second here. We'll see if we get it. See if we get a green candle here. Like panning for gold. Yeah, that's what it looks like, right? Oh man, it's turned yellow. I don't like this. It's gonna chop here a little bit, I think. And next level 225 is where she wants to go. Yeah, I didn't take it yet because I saw that the seller started stepping at the last second, turning his candle yellow. Could have a good pop coming from here. Just trying to stay patient here, waiting for the setup, because we getting a lot of chop right now. It looks like the market is rejecting from the trend line, but it wants to go to the overnight low. So right now we're just maybe bouncing between these two spots here. Looks like we're just kind of bouncing at the moment for possible support here. We'll see if we get some absorption. We'll take this higher. Yeah, it's super choppy, Neil. I missed the best price action that was right here. I missed this price action while I was getting my daughters from school. But this is most likely going to go higher, but I'm waiting for a good sign. Okay. Nice push down here. Let's see when it starts catching a bounce. We had some demand here earlier too, this high volume candle. I don't know if it's still there, but we'll see. Okay, might be getting a bounce soon. Nope, not yet. To be honest with you, it looks like we come back and retest the 142 level. I think that's what it might be wanting to do right now. It's very probable. Still looking like these sellers are pretty strong here. There we go. We have the 100 period at 160. It lines up really nicely with this wick. The 100 period VWAP right here. And then we have the wick that lines up with it nicely. Nice pullback here. Looks like a liquidity grab. Yeah, they don't like to leave many traders in profit. So when you have a clean move like this, they like to come back and grab these stop losses. Important things to see what she does next. She'll recover this candle sooner than later, probably right now. Maybe a little bit of a wick higher and then come back down and retest the bottom of this candle. Oh, this was the 2 o'clock candle. This was the 2 p.m. candle. This is a fresh 4-hour candle too. Oh man. That's what happens when I sit down and trade. When I'm not walking, I get sleepy. No, it looks like she wants to go higher. Okay. What's our ATR right now? Our ATR is not bad. Our ATR is at 13. It's actually not bad. Neil says he never sleeps. I sleep and I still fall asleep during the day. That's why I like to walk. So she's getting ready to clean up this candle. Perhaps here. Possible drop incoming now. This is either going to be a bull flag or a reversal down. This could bring us up to 225. I'm going to try this right here. See if we can get a pop. Oof. Dank. Yeah, she's going down. Ooh, don't be so rude, NQ. Go a little bit higher, baby. Don't go so low. So I entered the chop. Oh no. Go higher, NQ. We don't need you down here, baby. We need you up here. We need you up here, baby. We're getting stopped here. Alright, we'll wait. We'll wait on NQ. Target price 21.3. Yeah, I'm thinking she'll go to 21.25 in the short term. In the short term, I think she'll go. She just wanted my stop. That's all she wanted. She just wanted that stop. She a bad girl. We got right back in. We're only down 74 bucks in that account. Let's see if we can get it a little higher. Should have known I was coming. What's up, laughter? 2 John 1:2 says the truth which abides in us will be with us forever. Thank you for that, brother. Rigoberto says, what's up? I keep taking L after L on my funded, but I'm the practice king. I'm negative 1200 on my funded. Any way I can bring it up? I need 1200 to lose it. The only way I would say, brother, this worked for me in the past. Try doing this, and this is not financial advice, but this is what worked for me in the past. Only take trades with your paper account. Just take trades with your paper account until you come across that trade that's like, oh my god, like the one I just took right now where they swept this area right here. Like I entered this trade. Like, so imagine if I would have entered this trade with my paper account, I got stopped out. But I knew they were going to come and stop me out here just to reverse it higher because they wanted to grab this liquidity before popping it. So I could have gotten stopped out of my paper account, but entered this with my funded account. And then I gave us an immediate profit. So I would say try taking all your trades with a paper account and then just leave your A+++ setup for the funded. Try that. That worked for me big time in the past. We hit 225. What do I think of TopStep? I think they're one of the better ones. I think the TopStep is a solid choice. They're one of the least drama-filled prop firms. I say prop firm's a solid option. My favorite is Tradeify. I like Tradeify's 50K, 50K growth. They got 35% off right now. They're a lot cheaper. They're a lot cheaper than TopStep. They're like 90 bucks compared to TopStep's 200. So yeah, I would give them a shot. I like I would say that Tradeify is my number one, Bulenox number two. Take Profit Trader is probably number three. I would say no. TopStep will probably be number three. Take Profit Trader number four, and I don't know. I wouldn't even rank Apex anymore in the top five. I would probably say something like Tradeday. It's probably like number five now for me. Yeah, Tradeify is my number one. Links to them are down below if you guys need a link. Might be taking this long, guys. I might be taking this long here, so I'm gonna switch back over here. A lot of sellers are kicking in here. This might turn green on me, man. All right. So let's see if we can get this. Risking 395. Trying as long here, guys. All right, let's see if we get this little pumperoo here. Let's get the show on the road, guys. Let's get the show on the road. Be nice if we did. If it turns red, though, I think I might get out of this trade. We'll see. We will see. I'm on a funded futures right now. I'm not trying it out. It's like 45 to 50K account. It's cool, man. Oh man, I don't like that. Don't like that. I don't like that one bit. I'm not liking that one bit. See if we get this pushity push. I need a 257 hit. Let's see if we can get a 257 hit. $257, baby. Let's get that 257. Amit says it's gonna go up. I believe Amit. Thank you, Amit. I believe in you, brother. I might take a TP at 250. I TP'd at 250 on my live account. Even though I think it's going to go to 258, 257. You just don't know, you know? A little green. Got a little green on the board. Try it again. See, we got a little pop here. All right, cool. We took some more money off there on our live account. I re-entered that same trade on my live account. I think that 255, 258, very possible. Very possible here. It's not looking so hot anymore. Not looking so hot in Q. Looking kind of dumpy. Oh, in Q. I love when you do what you do in Q. Man, she's a savage. She's a savage. Thank you, NQ. I appreciate that very much. Yeah, that's because Amit said it would go up. If Amit didn't say it, I would not have believed it. NQ, you were a savage, girl. So we're up on our live account, and then we're up on that funded account as well. That was a nice reversals. That was a what you call a switcheroo. It looked like she was about to dump, and then she went, "No, I'm just kidding." Very nice, NQ. Very nice. Very nice. NQ, you such a savage. This is quite the bougie one. Thank you, Elmi. Thank you. I made their 800 bucks. Beautiful, brother. Good call. Good call, my man. Right to VWAP. Right in the VWAP. Right in the VWAP. There you go. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. You're such a savage. We're about to hit the 300, which is yesterday's low. That's Laughter's level. Laughter knows his levels, man. I'm telling you, a guy knows his levels. Yeah, DJ Toka, that was nasty. I did give a target price number of 21,300 earlier. Yeah, that's the only reason I went long, brother, because you're a target. If it wasn't for that, I'd be trying to short this whole move up. I'd be shorting it every candle. Short, 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 short. But since you said it was going to go higher, I said longs only. Good job, brother. Okay. Now we go full port short. So we did break out of this trend line that we were kind of creating right here. You see that trend line? Broke out of it really nicely. I do expect it to still probably retest this. Who knows? Maybe now. Should probably retest this trend line. And then maybe pop. We'll see. We will see, guys. We will see. What's going on, trading for pips? Thank you, Yo Jim. Welcome back to the channel. I was getting kind of worried there when she started putting in these absorption candles. I'm like, oh man, these candles not looking too good. Looking like a toppy candle. It's coming down, hit the 21 and exploded. Which is great. She wants to go higher stuff. She could get rejected here at the VWAP and maybe come down to 230. Possibly. Who knows? Maybe get rejected at VWAP, test the trend line again. Maybe the 21. Go higher. We'll see. So we might be getting that next pop right now. They're going to be defending this level more than likely. This level here looks pretty strong. This level here looks like it's going to hold for the most part. Maybe a wick below. Those are going to be good places to get long. I hate trading at the VWAP, man. It's the worst. It is the absolute worst. Could end up getting a lot of consolidation here. Between here and yesterday's low. She can start consolidating. Maybe even this whole thing here. So far the line has been powerful resistance. You mean this right here? This VWAP? Yeah, VWAP is pretty gnarly. Are we gonna get a dump? Down to 265? No, no, no. Took a pretty nasty rejection there. Sorry about that, it's a little loud. Pretty powerful rejection. Are there enough buyers here? That is the question. One second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Again, a bit of a chop fest here. Kind of what I expected. I expected it to be a little rocky road here. I expected it to be choppy. I'm not going to trust any trades here. As long as we're stuck at this VWAP, I'm not gonna take any. I'm not gonna. This is gonna be weird here. Oh man, come on in, Q. Get away from VWAP. When you trade in the VWAP, it's almost better just to do the opposite of what you think it's going to do. Trade the exact opposite. Well, good news though, guys. I'm not gonna have to go pick up my kids anymore during the middle of the trading day. Nice little move higher here. Move right back down. We traded an eval today. We're up 979 on that eval today. That's good. We only need about $1,800 on that one to pass. It's pretty good. I might just stick to trading evals for the rest of the day because this is looking kind of ugly. We'll see. If we get some clean opportunities, then I'll trade some of the fundeds or lives. But right now, she's looking kind of ugly. She's looking ugly. You're gonna push down. Probably end up getting a chop between here, 264, all the way up to 300. I think that's what we're gonna get. Short-term selling? Yeah, I think they're gonna go right here. I'm on a 1 minute right now, Mr. Kevin. I think they're going to go to the 15 and possibly here to 264. I might want to take a long with a with an eval. We'll see. We'll see what we get here. Come on, knock it off. Took a little bit off there. Oh, we could have got it. I knew there was going to be some reaction here because we had a demand earlier when this move happened. I knew there was going to be some kind of reaction because over here this was a bullish demand. So when we came back into it and I saw this candle turn yellow, immediately I went long here. Took off $200. Not bad. That helps for an eval, you know. That helps. In a market like this right now, you just can't. When you get choppy like this, you take anything you can get, man. Take whatever you can get. Can you guys believe it's been 30 years since the first Mission Impossible movie with Tom Cruise? It's crazy. Take a look at the 12 minutes, see what's going on. We had some clean price action today, though, to be honest. Very clean. It's been 30 years, man. Nuts. You're trying to make us feel old? I mean, I just saw a poster on X from Tom Cruise that says it's been 30 years since his first Mission Impossible movie. Best movie series on the planet? Is it really? Yes. No, I just posted something saying it's been 30 years. This was a bearish absorption candle. If this candle ends up closing red here on the 12 minute, we're probably going to head back down. Flixbaba.net. Yeah, I'll check it out, man. Thanks. Better than The Matrix and Fast and Furious? What do you guys think is the best movie series ever? Best movie series? I mean, I don't know. Rocky. Man, that's pretty good. Rockies are pretty good. I don't think there was a... I think there was a... Like the last Rocky movie was kind of bad. I haven't seen too many bad ones. Top Gun? Yeah, that's only 2, though. Oh, yeah, yo, Jim? People, women say you remind them of Tom Cruise? Wife likes Twilight series? Because I'm an impossible mission. That's hilarious. Yeah. 12 minute looks pretty bad. If we close red, it's going to be bad. Boom. Just 1 minute. Might be getting a rejection here, guys. Might be wanting to take this. Might want to take this. We'll see. It was red for a second. Now it's going to be green, more than likely. Okay. Stay patient here. So she might make that run. If we do end up getting a closed candle above the VWAP, I'll probably make that run to yesterday's low, and it sits here at 301. We hit 298 just before. I'm trying to short here. Just tap the 15. This could be a fake out. Take it all right there. Not bad, not bad. That eval sends its love. Might end up passing a lot of these evals, man, this time around, this month. Dirty Harry movies, you like those? Oh, the Batmans were good too, right? What's your daily loss limit on your personal account? From what I would like it to be, CC, would be 2 losses. No, I don't care about the amount. Just 2 losses. If I got 2 losses in a row, then I'm done. I'm pretty much setting that rule for all any account besides an eval. 2 losses, and I'm like a funded or my live account. 2 losses back to back. I'm done. That means I'm not reading the market right. Yesterday we had a pretty nice day on our live account. We were, I think we made like 10. I think it was like 20% on the account. 15%, something like that. Something around there. We had a decent day. 12-minute might be getting very nasty now because remember I told you guys we had an absorption candle here. If we get a red candle here, this is going to be dumpville. I might actually just take a short on my eval and just let it ride. We got 3 minutes left here. If this turns red, I'm going to go short, stop loss up here, and just let it ride. Next 3 minutes, we'll find out. Laughter says his other favorite movie was Dirty Dancing. That's a good one too. That's a good one too, Laughter. But they only made one of those. Oh, I think they made a remake of Dirty Dancing if I'm not mistaken, but I don't think it was even worth watching. You know what other movies I really like? Those Terminator movies. The Terminators are really good. The Terminators are beast mode. I love the Terminator movies. You guys think we're going to make it above VWAP or you guys think we're going to reject? I have a feeling we're going to reject. We're going to reject. Would I be willing to risk a eval? Maybe. I think I'm going to risk an eval. Let's see, what do we need? We need 2,700 to pass this eval. Basically, you need to get here. A little bit more for commissions. We need about that. I think we could do it. As long as we don't get stopped out here. I'm risking 340. Basically what we made today. to see if we can get this drop here. Have you guys watched any of the Kendrick brother movies, like Facing the Giants? I heard of Facing the Giants is really good. I think I might have seen it before, and I've seen Fireproof. They're good Christian movies, right? I think I've seen both of them. I've seen Fireproof. Terrible acting, but great movie. Elon Musk is planning a Mars trip for robots next year. That's awesome, man. I got to do my robot dance, so he thinks I'm a robot. He'll send me. Maybe he'll send me. That'd be awesome. If we close below here, if we get some candles below here, that means we're gonna get a really nasty dump, and it could end up passing an eval on this. But right now, she's looking kind of iffy. A little iffy. How many points is that, by the way? 138. That's not bad. We could do that. We got what? An hour to go? Got about an hour to go. Maybe we'll get a nasty dump like that, you think? Well, either way, I'll move the break even once we get down under here. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, those are great movies, man. I remember I seen Fireproof. My wife made me watch. I wasn't a big fan at first, first few minutes, but then it was really a good movie. And then I saw Facing the Giants. I think I might have seen that one. I made things would go down. I'm liking this 12-minute a lot. And if the 12-minute gives us a red candle here, I mean, it gave us a doji, which I'm not a big fan of it, because it gave us a doji. So my idea may not work. My idea may not work here. Looks like she wants to go higher now. Yeah, she wants to go higher. Yeah, she wants to go higher. I'll get taken out here. All right, we got stopped there. Looks like it wants to go higher. May want to go higher on this. That idea did not hold muster. It was just an idea, but we got it. John Wick movies? Yeah, John Wick movies are good too, man. John Wick movies are awesome. John Hughes movies were were fun too. 16 Candles, The Breakfast Club. Ferris Bueller's Day Off was one of my favorites, man. Ferris Bueller's Day Off was literally my childhood, man. I love that movie. Chad says, también. Yeah, Home Alone was awesome. All those ones you just mentioned were really good. So the director for those was John Hughes. Yeah, it was John Hughes, wasn't it? Regarding Ferris Bueller? Yeah, right. Ferris Bueller was awesome, man. That movie was awesome. I actually showed my wife that movie. She never saw it before. I showed my wife Ferris Bueller's Day Off, like recently, like a couple years ago. She loved it. It's like a timeless classic, man. It's such a good movie. To be honest with you, that short that I took earlier, I had really no basis for taking that short. It was just a long shot idea I had. Let's see what happens here. Could get a rejection. So we're still getting some bullish action here. Just tapped yesterday's low. Just tapped yesterday's low. So we want to go higher after this. See if we can get a push here to 330. That would put us right in line with, no, 320. That would put us right in line with this anchored VWAP. Or is she going to do the chop dance between 300 and 265? That is a question. Target hit, says Laughter. Does she have enough juice in the... I don't know. She may not have enough juice anymore. Her juice is running out. Oh no. Taking this one, it counts. Five minutes of power hour. Oh no, what are you doing, man? Taking me out on both? How dare you be so dirty? Oh, here we go with the shenanigans. I'm going to blame Laughter here. I'm going to blame Laughter on this if we don't get our TP. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Yeah, there's no bueno. How do you get stopped out long and short at the same time? How is that even possible? How do you get stopped out long and short at the same time? I don't understand it. How does the market stop you out long and short? That's just the way the cookie crumbled. Let's see if the market wants to push back down. No, she wants to go higher. She just swept the highs there. Not sure what she may want to do with it. MNQ love. Oh man, looks like she's gonna go higher. She might be squeezing higher. Either that or she's faking out. She's gonna dump here. She just swept the highs here, so this looked like a liquidity grab to me. No, it looks like she's just beasting higher. She's gonna do an end of day short squeeze. Something like a good old-fashioned end of day short squeeze, she said. She's got that anchored view out there at 321. Anchored VWAP could be where she wants to head to. Maybe even to the daily. You got liquidity all the way up to about 348. And now she's just ripping. Now she just wants to rip. All right, she's just tapped 320 again. That anchored VWAP there could be holding it down. No signs of weakness yet. You never know with her though. 348 might be the next level. Let's look at that 12-minute again. Yeah, 12-minute ripped. Sure did. There's nothing we can see there. She might try to make it to the daily too, at the daily open there. No, I'm chilling today. I walked this morning, but after I came on for the second time, I just want to hang out. Wow. She's gonna short squeeze. There she goes, short squeezing. Anybody long? I didn't get a chance to get in the long here. I did not. Should have been, but I was not. The long from here would have been nice. Mo, the old me, would have been shorting this whole thing. Chad is in the long, man. He didn't invite anybody. All right, we made it to 340. Oh, old smooth fought the trend. I just sat down. I thought you took that trade. Nah, man. You know what? To be honest with you, I didn't, man. What did I do here? What was I doing? What was I thinking? I knew. You know what? I did take the long. I did. I took the long, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out right here. I took the long. I got stopped out, and then it went. So yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, she's going right back up. She's probably want to close at the daily open. This probably has something to do with option expiries, right? The way she's moving right now? Probably. Probably. This might have something to do with the option expiries. What is the max pain level? Can anybody look that up? What's the max pain level for option expiries? We're live every day, pretty much between 9 and now that I don't have to pick up my daughters, we'll be here from 9 till about maybe 2 o'clock. Yeah, she probably doesn't want to go to the daily. Eastern. I should have added to this trade down here. Instead of getting stopped out, I should have added a second position. I had my stop here. But you live and you learn. That was an eval. I could have done that easily on that eval. And then I took it to short on my funded account with Tradeify. And then we got stopped out. So we got stopped out this way and that way. Like, they got us on both ends. It's crazy. They're a sick bunch. Those market makers. Sick bunch, I tell you. You're going right to that daily open, man. Don't put in a green candle right now. They'll put a high volume candle in just to get there. Moving towards the purple haze. Yeah, looks like it, right? At least they're moving away from. At least they're moving away from the VWAP. That's all I can say. Get away from the VWAP, man. As much as you can. Yeah, go straight to the daily. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Of course. Of course, that's what she does. Look at that. That's so funny. She's too funny, guys. You bought the dip. Nice, Chad. Hope this is not a 7-layer dip. I don't really see any support here. To the VWAP. 304, 309, 301. Let's see if they catch their support here at the anchored VWAP. It could. And go right back up to the daily. Looks like she still wants higher here, huh? So what's that daily open possibly? Looks like they want that daily open. He's reaching for that daily, man, little by little. She's using that as like that low-hanging fruit, but she may not go there. That's the funny thing, is that like everyone's going long here, thinking it's going to go to the daily, and she could catch everybody sleeping. That's the problem. But she wants that daily, she'll go for it. Maybe even 408. We could end up getting a pop here. Daily open sitting right there at 370. She got it. Congratulations, anyone holding that long to the daily. Now let's see what she does. I think she could still go higher into the 400s. Pushing to 380. May not be unheard of. See if we can tap 380. Think we might be able to get a bounce here. Let's see. Not liking how it's looking at the moment. I might end up closing it. We might actually add one here instead at the 15. See, we limit by one. This is an eval. I would not be doing this on the live or a funded. I just think we go higher into the 400s. So I'm thinking we could add one here. If not, we'll just get to 380. See if we can get that 380 slap. Come on, smack it, girl. Smack it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. You really gotta be kidding me right now. I literally had her at 379. Take it 380. Take the 380. I'm gonna take it right there. All right, cool. She's such a piece of work sometimes. Just having fun with an eval, guys. Just having fun with an eval. Just doing something to keep pass the time here. Something to pass the time. Going up into those 400s. Kind of expected it. Man, wait, she's good, right? She's good at taking stops. Very good at manipulating people. And now I don't know what she'll do. I mean, she's going to get up to this, more or less this 408 level. I think she's going to go to yesterday's close. This has a lot of resistance. We were testing this area at the open and we got hurt here. Let's see if it's going to hold or if it's going to dump off. If we get above it, and then we're smooth sailing up until here for next week. It looks like she wants to get above it. To get that overnight high. Overnight high sitting at 421. Yeah, it seems pretty easy for her. 20 points. Overnight high. She can put one green candle in and grab it. Still super bullish. Look where the 21 is. She's not even touching the 21 on the 1 minute anymore. She's just going. My P&L for today, let's go ahead and take a look. We are on this eval right now, we're currently flat. We're up 293 on one funded account. I didn't trade the other funded account. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. 293 on this funded account. This one I did not trade yet. I'm up about 5% on my live account today. No, more than 5%. No. Yeah, I'm up 5% on my live account today. This eval is up $979, and this one's flat, basically down 21 bucks. And I'm up 5% on my live account. So I didn't do much trading today. It wasn't much opportunities in the morning, but then when I went to pick up my daughters, that's when the market started to actually make some good moves. But I wasn't here. I had to go pick them up today at school because they had a half a day. But I haven't blown anything. Well, I haven't blown any accounts. That's a good thing. Oh, and I took a small loss on my other Tradeify funded. That I'm down down a couple $100 there. Down $700 in my other Tradeify funded. That one I could still bring back. We still got a little bit of time here. Yeah, we took 2 losses on that one. I don't know if I want to trade it anymore, but if I see something that's really, really nice, I might try to get it into the green. You try not to trade on Fridays? I usually get back my gains. Yeah, that happens. That happens. Sorry to hear that, man, but it does happen. That's why I'm just messing around with this eval here as much as I can, because I really don't want to give back much. Best trading is behind us, I think. Is this where she starts giving it up? The market maker's algorithm gets me 90% of the time on Fridays. Why don't you just fade yourself on Fridays? There you go. There's your solution, brother. Cut me in for 10%. Just fade yourself on Fridays. Call it Fade Me Fridays. There you go. Problem solved. Fade Me Fridays. Oh, man. Yeah, she's going to dump here. She's going to go back down to VWAP. I think she's about to start a nasty dump off right now. Have a good weekend, brother. Take care. See you on Monday. Yeah, I think she's about to start a nasty dump off. We'll see. Remember, we got this level up here. We got this level up here. Pretty nice action for a Friday, yeah. That's pretty decent. Just can't tell what she wants to do right now. Getting kind of mixed signals here. This whole area here is supply, man. Pretty nasty supply here. We got shot down 2 times from here already. Be interesting to see if she tries again. might just hug the daily open for the rest of the day, huh? This looks like it wants to grab the liquidity from 390, 388. Looks like it wants to grab the liquidity from there and possibly roll over once more. It's kind of what it was looking like to me. You still got that overnight high there that has not been taken out. Maybe that's what it wants to do. Yep. She hasn't given up the 390 level yet. So it looks like she does want to go up to the overnight highs at 420. Four 421's right around the corner. Overnight high tapped. I mean, the yesterday's close tapped right here, 408. Let's see if she goes to that 421 level. Maybe blast off here. See, we got to push back up into the 417. If not, that means that she wants to give up and dump. We'll see. Not yet. Just missed it. This is looking like a dump right here, though. We did miss the overnight high. That's the only thing getting me kind of still wanting to. Yeah, now she's gonna go straight to the moon. Crazy. Can we get a 343 hit? 343 would be nice. Have a good weekend, Chad. Take care, brother. Kind of torn here. 343 still looks good, but it looks like we're about to get tapped out here. Yeah. Still gonna try it. 343. Oh man. Yeah, she's playing around now. She's acting like she wants to go lower. She actually wants to go higher. To me, that looked like a stop run. That's why I went into the short again. It looks like we're about to get stopped. Last trading day of the month. Yeah, I think it's gonna be my last trade of the day here too, because what MOC coming up too. If we get a 343 hit, I'll be happy. Yeah, Greg, we still got the 90 today at midnight. It ends, so 91% off for Bulenox with the code Smooth Trader with no spaces, and 35% off on Tradeify for the anything. They have all their products, but my favorite is the 50K growth. But if you want to do some straight to funded, they're the best straight to funded company as well. Straight to funded, my favorite straight to funded is the 150K. It's a little more expensive, but you can get the biggest bang for your buck on the 150Ks on the straight to funded. 35% off across the board right now, so that's pretty good. See if we can get this 343 hit. That's what we've been waiting for. You gotta be kidding me right now. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way you just missed me by a tick and you go right back up to break even. There's no way. There's no way. Come on. You gotta be kidding me right now. You gotta be kidding me. Ay, 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 man. I tell you, man, this price action on NQ, she's miserable. She makes me miserable, man. It's all good. It's all good in the hood, NQ. You gotta make me tilt, baby. I'm about to go full port. It's because you drive me crazy. I'm about to go 7 deep. Who wants me to go 7 deep right now? I'm about to go 7 contracts deep. Well, at least the break even saved me a loss. At least you saved me some bucks. Yeah, 1-to-1 is the worst play, man. It definitely is. I'm about to just start taking 10-to-1s. Let's see what she does here. I think she might wait till the MOC to start dumping. If we break above 391, it's going to London high. Yeah, right. It still wants London highs. I think that's probably what it's going to do here. Because that was pretty aggressive. That was pretty aggressive. Actually, I'm going to just take that. Go to London highs, 421. 420. Yeah, screw it. I think that's what she wants. Greg, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. I'm so sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, Fridays tend to have an effect on people. Just take, on Fridays, man, you just gotta, especially the end of the month, you gotta only take the best, cleanest setups. All right, we're at 350 MOC. MOC time, baby. MOC time, let's see. You want that overnight high, baby? You want that 420? You want 420? I want to break even here is what I want. You want 420, baby? 420? Let's go. 420. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, DJ Toka. Thank you for that, man. I owe you, man, some doll hairs. Watch her go to my break even again. Watch her go to my break even again and not hit the 420 level. Overnight high is 421. Let's see if we can hit my 420. Close it? You want me to close it? It's just an eval, man. It's just an eval, man. Come on, baby. Go. Don't be so rude. Come on, girl. We'll take her. We'll take her. It's because you guys said so. Oh, we only got 3. Okay, we only got 500 on that. Yo, she just missed it by a doll hair. She just missed the overnight highs by very little, man. Very little. She'll still go there. I might even take a long again. You guys down? Let's take a long again. Yeah, she missed 421. Yeah, I'm going to call it there, guys. Thanks so much for stopping in today. Let's go ahead and close out with a quick prayer. Heavenly Father, we come to you in Jesus' name. We ask you, Father, to watch us and watch our family over the weekend. And bless us, Father, and forgive us for our sins. The sins that we've committed, Father, that are not the way that we should be living our lives. And Lord, you have a plan for us, and you cannot use us as long as we keep reverting back to sinful ways, Father. So allow us, Lord, to recognize what is not working for us, the things that we are addicted to, Father. Help us liberate ourselves from it, Father. We cannot do it without you, Lord. We ask you to always walk with us. Show us the path, Lord. Take us off that wide path and put us on a narrow path, Lord. I know it's not easy, and there's a lot of people on this stream today, Father, who might need help and don't know it, Father, who might be living a sinful life and needs you, Father. They need help with something that's going on, Father, physically or mentally. Maybe a relationship, Father, that needs to be mended. A relationship that needs to be mended with their parents, Father, or their spouses. Father, I put my marriage and my family in your hands as well, Father, and I ask you to look over them. And Father, help us in every single way possible to avoid the errors of our ways, Father, that we committed in the past. All the addictions that we left behind, Father, allow us to always steer clear of that and get away from anybody, Father, who may bring us back into that lifestyle. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend. Looks like we missed that overnight high. Good thing we took profits. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.